In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text and objects in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Animating your presentations can add a dynamic layer to your content, making it more engaging and visually appealing. So whether you need some text to catch your audience's eye or want to have images moving in an eye-catching way, I'm here to guide you through the steps. First up, let's dive into understanding the different animation categories that PowerPoint offers. When you select an object on your slide and head over to the Animations tab, you'll notice a drop-down menu that presents 4 distinct types of effects. The first one is Entrance. This effect controls how an object first appears on your slide, grabbing your audience's attention right from the start. Next, we have Emphasis animations, which animate the object while it's actively displayed on the slide, perfect for highlighting key points. Then comes Exit. This controls how the object disappears, ensuring your slide transition is smooth. Lastly, there are Motion Paths. This is where the fun begins, as it allows you to move the object along a custom path or a predetermined line, creating a unique flow that can really enhance your storytelling. Now, if you want to get creative and add multiple effects, here's a little tip. When you choose an effect from the main menu, it will replace any current animation on that object. But if you want to add a second or third animation, make sure to click on the Add Animation button instead. This way, you can pile on as many animations as you'd like, giving your slides some flair. Managing the animations effectively is another crucial step. Click on the animation pane to open a sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here, you can view all the animations you've added. A really handy feature is that you can click and drag the items to reorder them easily. Additionally, the drop-down arrows next to each animation let you change their triggers. You can set them to start on click, with previous, or after previous, automating the flow and making your presentation seamless. Now let's talk about fine-tuning your effects. In the animation pane, if you click on the drop-down next to an animation, you'll see an option called Effect Options. This opens up advanced settings where you can tweak various aspects. For example, if you want your text to appear one letter at a time, that's possible. You can also switch to the Timing tab to add a custom delay, adjust the speed, and really get your animations just the way you envision them. Finally, there's a fantastic tool called the Animation Painter. If you've perfected an animation style and want to apply it to a different object or even another slide, this tool is a lifesaver. Just select your animated object, click on the Animation Painter, and then click on the target object where you want to apply that same effect. It's as simple as that. It instantly clones the effect, saving you time and maintaining consistency in your presentation. So now you have the basic yet effective ways to animate text and objects in PowerPoint. With these tips in your toolkit, your presentations will surely stand out. Happy animating, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.